Hi, welcome back. Very good evening. This is MD Saifraz. You are most welcome on this YouTube channel, Code with Saif Ali. Okay, basically today I will discuss a very beautiful, important questions. Okay, without getting late, just let me share my screen. First of all, I will discuss the problem. Then I will just think about the approach, and we will understand the concept on the whiteboard, and then we will code. Okay, just I would like to let me share my screen first of all. Okay, what is the code here? Okay, here is the, you can see here, this is the problem of Leetcode 1876. Okay, substring of size there, three, with discrete character. Okay, it means that whenever you think, whenever you read, whenever you look anywhere like a substring, subarray, then there will be a concept comes in your mind, like a sliding window. Okay, and this types of questions, okay, is solved a sliding window. Okay, what it is the problem? Just read the problem. A string is good if there are no repeating characters. It means that if there is no repeating character, then string, this string is good. Given a string as return the number of good substring of length 3 of s, note that the if there are multiple occurrence, okay, of the same substring, every occurrence should be uh, counted. Okay, or substring is a sequence of, okay, you can read the problem statement here. You with this example I can understand very well. Here is the x y z z a z. Okay, here is a string. A string is good if all the three characters are means unique. X y z is a unique. It means that count will be one. Just move the window from here. Means y, z, and z here, and then what will we do? Like z z, it is repeating now. That's why it will not means counted as a good string. Okay, and now just move. I will move the pointed here. Z z a. Okay, here is the repeating character z. Okay, so answer will be not updated. Z a z, z a z. Here is the here is also is not acted this. So answer will not be updated. Okay, in this case there is only one repeating substring, that is xyz. So answer output will be 1. Okay, just this is the approach. Now how will we solve this? Just look at, here is create a variable. Let count, what it is, count will be 0 right now. Okay, and we will look through whole the string. Okay, for let I equal 0, and I is less than s dot length, and what it will be, I is less than s dot length, and I will be incremented. Okay, here you can see there is the three repeating characters. The size of window is k, means 3. It means that will be 2. Now just what will we do here? In this just I will just check if the s of I, if s of I, uh sorry, if s of I is equals s of I plus 1 plus 1, or s of I plus 1 equal s of I plus 2, I plus 2, sorry, s of I plus 2, I plus 2. Okay, or or s of I plus 2 equal equal s of I. Okay, s of I. Then what I will do, what I will do, just listen, just think about that. If here x, y and z, if any uh, any character is match, like x match with z, okay, then it will not be considered as our answer, okay, and count. Okay, so I will continue if such types of character is found in our windows. Okay, continue. Okay, continue. Well, if it is not, then what I will have to do, like a font plus plus. Okay, here just drag on. Okay, how it is working. Okay, here is means x at ith position equals, and I plus 1 is the y is not equals. Okay, it will check I plus 1 and I plus 2. Okay, y equal z, not, it will check just I plus means I plus 2 means z equal x, not it means that it will be continue. Okay, there will be, okay, okay, not continue, just count will be incremented. Okay, if it is such like that, then it will be continue. Okay, just I will done this. What will happen, I will see here. Okay, you can see I not returning anything. Okay, just return font. Okay, just now run, what will happen there. Okay, you can see output is 1, it is perfectly fine. Just I will submit this. It for a while time. Okay, yeah, you can see it is perfectly fine. Okay, it will take 114 millisecond. Okay, okay, well done. I hope everything is clear. uh, Everything is clear. This is a very beautiful questions. Okay, sliding window. Okay, basically I hope everything is clear. So I will wrap up this session from here. Okay, I will meet you. I will see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed. Please comment and like this video. Okay, so I can get a huge of motivation. Okay, thanks a lot.